Welcome back to Vandemic Campervans. My name's Rick. We're here with our latest client build. This is our cabin van. This is a 159 Highroof Promaster. We're super excited to show you guys. We're going to show it to you right now. We love the dark metallic gray our client chose. And again, this is a 2022 Highroof 159 Promaster. Wait till you see the inside of this build. In the kitchen, the client opted for the 2-burner Impava induction stovetop. And check out the dark cherry stain they chose, not only just for the beautiful teak countertops, but throughout the entire van. We have an undermounted deep sink, a pull-down faucet, and our 2 signature built-in spice racks. Above the sink on the right is your water pump, and to the left a push-release button for the 10-gallon undermounted gray water tank. Under the sink, you've got an on-off switch for the 2.5-gallon Bosch water heater. The best water filter on the market for camper vans, and a ton of extra storage underneath. Above the fridge is your utensil drawer, which is big enough to fit all of the necessities you'd need from home. Our client opted for the huge Isotherm Cruise 130, which is a 4.6 cubic foot fridge, which is an enormous amount of space for the van. The cabin van's equipped with a 700-watt microwave. This was a non-negotiable for our client. On the face of the closet is the Ames inverter controller and the Victron battery monitor. As we move to the living room, there's 2 big overhead storage cabinets that provide plenty of storage. The living room's equipped with a beautiful pull-down blackout shade, just like you'd see at home. And these cover and reveal a large AMA slider window. This is screened, which helps keep the air moving in the van all the time. Below the couch, there are a total of 4 large drawers that can store kitchen items and extra pillows and blankets. And under the closet is the home for the toilet, which we provide in every single build. On the front side of the 4-foot couch rests the Lagoon table, which of course has a multitude of uses, which is super important in van life. Both of the front seats are on swivels, which really opens up the van so much. And with the flip-up kitchen extension, a desk or a table is then created. Two max air fans in the build is a necessity in regulating the temperature. The two largest overhead cabinets are located at the foot of the bedroom, where most people use these and fill them with their clothes. The bedroom's equipped with a 6-inch short queen memory foam mattress. Matching reading lights with 2 settings. The client added an AMA bunker slider for the bedroom as well. The back side of the closet hosts all of the control panel for the bedroom, and then more importantly, the Webasto heater controller. And to finish out the bedroom is our signature back cubby that has 4 storage areas and an extra USB outlet. Coming into the garage, we have a 3rd zone of lights and a shore power outlet. On the driver's side in the garage, you've got your 12-volt fuse box, your huge 4,000 watt Ames inverter to power at least 2 appliances at any given time. The cabin van has 315 amp hours of lithium-ion batteries, a Sterling 60 amp battery-to-battery charger, and of course, a cell booster. On the passenger side, you've got your inlet for your 32-gallon freshwater tank, and of course, you've got your quick connect for your outdoor heated shower, where you can enjoy it anywhere, any time of year, under the stars. One of our favorite things to do. And we can't forget the upgraded all-terrain tires with the ultra black rims. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're really excited. Our client's on their way in right now to pick this up. Do us a favor, if you happen to like this video and this particular build, give us a thumbs up. It helps us out, but it also helps get in front of more people. And if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We are accepting more builds, client builds. We'll leave a link to our website below. Reach out to us if you ever had an interest or desire for van life. We'd be happy to answer any of your questions. And again, something like this could be yours. Thanks again.